Hello crafty friends, this is Mari with Fun Paper Art, and today I have an unboxing from Onedaysaving to share with you. I will make sure to have the links to the products that I did select this time in the description box in case you are interested, and I will also include my 5% off discount code FUN05PFF in the description box as well. So first I got some of this diamond beads. I got in this pretty color pink, and this is gonna be fun to add to some paper craft projects, and they are round. I also got this color here that's between yellow and orange, and it's a pretty color for a bee project, so that's why I decided to get it. Also round. Then I got this pack with this diamond sticker rhinestone strip. It measures 1.5 centimeters by 1 meter. So let me open here to share with you how it looks like. Let's see. Oops. Oh, it's very pretty. And this color is, let me see, crystal gold. So it has the gold rhinestones and a little bit of other colors like blue, pink, and red. Very pretty. And this is how it looks like. Let's see how the back is. So it's kind of thick and fun. Then I also got some diamond paintings, and let me open this one here. All right, so this one is a Snoopy, and he looks like this. He's holding Woodstock, super cute. And let's see. Oh, this is adorable. This is how it looks like. Now let me see how long this measures so you can have an idea. So it measures about 25 centimeters by 25 centimeters. So it's a square, and I love Snoopy. Super cute image, and I think it's going to be super easy to put together. The kit came with the wax pieces, the tool, the tray, and here are the round beads or diamond beads. Super cute. So let me get the next one. This one is a Hello Kitty, and I love Hello Kitty. She's so cute. I am a big fan of Snoopy and Hello Kitty. So here is the design. Isn't it cute? So she has a teddy bear in here too. This one measures 30 centimeters by 40 centimeters. Oh, she's so cute. I love all the pink, and I can definitely use the beads that are left after finishing this diamond painting. There's white and lots of pinks. Super fun. The kit comes with the wax, the tray, and the tool, and also this beautiful round beads. So the two diamond paintings are full round, and look at this pink. So pretty. Very fun colors. Love, love, love. And that's it for this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I will make sure to have links and the discount code in the description box in case you are interested. And please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I wish you all a lovely day, and I hope to talk to you pretty soon. Bye bye!